Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the 10-inch Radiance ring light by gearlight, which I got from Amazon. And when you open the package or the box, it includes these parts in there. So I'll take out the manual first. So first of all, we need to make sure that all the parts are in there, all the accessories, everything is there. And then, so first we'll look at the rotating platform, which is this one right here. The rotating platform should have the wing nut, which is this one right here, this piece right here, as you can see. And also, it should have the leg screw, which is right here. This will be the leg screw. And the selfie stick screw, which is at the bottom, right here. As you can see, this will be the selfie stick screw. And then we'll need to make sure that it has a tripod leg collar. So the tripod leg collar will be this part right here. So also we need to make sure that we have the ring light, which is right here. I'll go ahead and unbox it. This is the ring light, and the ring light should come with a USB cable, as well as the lighting control switch, which is right here. So this is the lighting control switch, and it should also come with the gooseneck phone holder. This is the gooseneck phone holder right here, attached to the ring light, and it should come with the clip-on phone holder right here. So this is the clip-on phone holder. Also, we have the selfie remote control, which is right here. So we'll go ahead and assemble the parts. First of all, we'll set up the tripod, the rotating platform, which is the tripod stand. So we'll loosen the leg screw by rotating clockwise. So we'll rotate clockwise to loosen it, and then from there I will push. I will open the legs, the tripod legs, which is right here. So I'll put it here, and then from there I'll go ahead and then push so which is right here. We need to make sure that the screw is intact right here. And once the collar is pushed down to a stable position, we'll tighten the leg screw. So we'll tighten the leg screw here so that it doesn't move up and down. Now it's fixed right here. The legs are fixed. Okay, so we'll unlock the buckle, which is this one, and then these are the buckles. So we'll unlock it by just moving it like this, and then we can extend it. And the way to hold it like this, or to lock it to make sure that it's in place, is by clipping it back down. And then we'll unlock this one and then keep extending it to your desired height or your desired range. So I'll go ahead and then keep extending it and lock it, and then keep extending it. Make sure you're able to extend all of it and you're able to lock it, just so they don't, even if you push down, it's not going to go down. So we're almost there. now we'll attach the ring light to the stand, and by attaching the ring light to the stand, we will align the ring light threaded 1/4 inch hole. So this is the ring light threaded 1/4 inch hole right here. It's right here, and we will align it to the rotating platform's 1/4 inch screw. We'll insert it and rotate until the ring light is securely attached. So first of all, so this will be the hole, the threaded hole, and then this right here, that'll be the rotating platform. This one right here, we'll go ahead and untighten it with a wing nut, and then we'll move this one up. So this will be the rotating platform. We will lock it. We'll lock the rotating platform by rotating the wing nut, which is right here. Now we'll go ahead and attach the ring light. So now the ring light is attached to the rotating platform right here. In order to rotate it, in the ring light, you could just rotate it in any direction that you want. It could go 360. So let me go ahead and make sure it's tight. Yeah, so it's tight. So then if you want to rotate it, I would advise that you rotate it by holding the rotating platform, which is right here. You hold it like this, because if you keep rotating by holding the light, it's gonna untighten the screw, and then it may be loose. The light may be loose. In order to turn it at any angle that you want, or like, let me put it this way, to bend it up and down, you loosen the wing nut, which is right here. This piece right here, you rotate it counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to adjust it or bend it to any angle that you want. So for now, I'll just make it 90 degrees, and then I'll tighten it with a wing nut just so it doesn't move. And right now, we'll attach the I'll say like the selfie stick holder, or like the selfie phone holder. We will just open this part right here, this clip. We'll open the clip right here like that, and then we'll just open the lock right here, and you can put it anywhere you want. I think mine is too high. I can bring it down, but then for now I'll open it up and then place it right here. Let me turn it so you can see it. So like you place it right here. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and turn on the light. This is the switch right here. Make sure that you plug the you plug the USB, and then you see a blue light indicating that the ring light is connected. So then I'll go ahead and then press on the switch button right here, and there you go. Our light is on. Okay, so now after the light is on, we'll go ahead and connect the selfie remote to our phone. There's a button right here. Make sure it's on. And then when you turn it on, you need to see this blue light flashing. I'll go ahead and connect it. Mine is already connected, but then you make sure you pair it. It's called gearlight. So connect it on Bluetooth, and then I'll go ahead and go to my camera right here. And there you go. In order to take pictures, you need to press on this button right here. So I'll go ahead and then, as you can see, it's taking the pictures. I press it and then it's taking the pictures. There you go. There's the picture right here. So you can take pictures anywhere you want. You can, at any distance that you go, you could go back, like you could go anywhere and then take the pictures. If it's selfie, you make sure you put it at the selfie side right here, and then you take pictures. Thank you.